Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G Vijaya Manorama. Subscribe my channel Vijaya Manorama Tutorials. So here is an update. July 22nd we received the term-wise syllabus for board examinations, which is to be held in the academic session 2021-22 for secondary and senior secondary classes, and guidelines for the conduction of internal assessment, practicals and project. So here is the circular which was released, where term-wise how the syllabus is bifurcated, that we are going to discuss now. So all the subjects I am going to just show you, and main science I am going to focus, as science is the subject of ours. Okay, so here if we see, when you go to the Google, just type cbse.nic.in. if you click that old website and new website, both you will find. In that, if you see the curriculum, in the curriculum if you see term wise curriculum 2021-22, it is given. So term wise secondary curriculum for 9th and 10th classes, and here it is 11th and 12th classes. So here you have the guidelines for internal assessment, also special scheme of assessment for board examination 10th and 12th also, that also I will show you. So here how the term wise it is bifurcated, that we are going to see first. So term wise languages, so many languages we have. Each and every state has its own regional language also, and most of them they are taking Hindi as their language. So that also you will find here, English and Hindi. So here term wise main subjects. So here we have to see term wise mathematics, science and social science is there. So first let us see about science. So here it is the syllabus for the purpose of examination 2021-22, classes 9th and 10th. So the subject of science plays a very important role in developing well-defined abilities in cognitive, affective and psychomotor domains in the children. So it augments the spirit of inquiry, creativity, objectivity and aesthetic sensibility. Okay, so here based on this, the present syllabus is designed around 7 board themes: food, materials, the world of living, how things work, moving things, people and ideas, natural phenomena and natural resources. These are the topics for class 9th and 10th, where it was differentiated. And here if we see, so general instructions, if you see, the total theory examination term 1 and term 2 will be of 80 marks, and 20 marks weightage will be of internals. Okay, internal assessment for term 1 and term 2, 20 marks weightage is there. Means 10 marks term 1, 10 marks term 2. Okay, so internal assessment, if you see, maximum marks of 10 for each term. So there will be periodic assessment, that would include, in the periodic assessment if you see, 3 periodic tests will be conducted by the school in the entire session. Average of the 2 best periodic tests will be taken for consideration. So diverse method of assessment as per the need of the class dynamics and curriculum transaction. These may include short tests, oral tests, quiz, concept maps, projects, posters, presentations, and query-based scientific investigations, everything. This is one of the part. Next come to the subject enrichment, where in the form of practical work, okay, throughout the year, and the student should maintain the record of the same. So practical assessment should be continuous. All practicals listed in the syllabus must be completed. So list is given, you can just go through. So portfolio to be prepared by the student, that would include classwork and other sample of student work. So here it is the 9th class, matter its nature and behavior. If you see, 9 marks it is. Organization in the living world, chapter 5 and 6, it is for 18 marks. Motion, force and work, that is for 13 marks. So these 3 1 2 3 4 5 topics are going to include for your term 1. Okay, and term 2 is matter, its nature and behavior, chapter 3 and 4, means atoms and molecules, structure of atom, here that is for 18 marks. Okay, organization in the living world, chapter 13 for 8 marks. Motion, force and work, 10th and 11th chapter, that is for 14 marks. So here these 3 chapters are included for term 1 and term 2 also. Here 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 chapters are included here in the first term for physics 13 marks, second term it is for 14 marks. So total theory term 1 and term 2 it is for 80 marks. Internal assessment term 1 is 10 marks, 2 is 10 marks. Okay. So here is the topics were given which are included in this. Okay. This is about class. Here practicals also given. What are the practicals to be included for term 1? So here the evaluation scheme for class 10th, the course structure if you see chemical substances, nature and behavior, chapter 1, 2 and 3, chemical reactions and equations, acids and bases and metals and non-metals. 3 chapters are there which are for 16 marks. So world of living chapter 6 only, life processes is a lengthy chapter that is for 10 marks. Natural phenomena chapter 10 and 11 that is for 14 marks. Light, reflection and refraction, human eye, 2 chapters are included, right? Then come to the term 2 if you see, chemical substances, nature and behavior chapter 4 and 5 that is for 10 marks. World of living chapter 8 and 9 that is for 13 marks. Here if we see organism, reproduction and heredity and evolution. Okay, so same the syllabus as it is mentioned as 30% syllabus it was reduced last year, the same syllabus is given. Okay, so you need not to go for more and more hurry. So in a very smooth manner you can cover the whole syllabus. Already in my channel I have done with the life processes, light, chemical reactions and equations. So tomorrow onwards I am going to cover acids, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, human eye and the colorful world. Okay, so I'll cover all these other chapters, and today evening at 8 o'clock there is a quiz on life processes. Okay, so that is very much useful for your NEET preparation also. Who are the NEET aspirants, they also can participate in that. So term 2 if we see, carbon and its compounds, the same covalent bonding, versatile nature of carbon, homologous series only. Next one is periodic classification of elements, reproduction and heredity. And in regarding physics if you see, electricity, magnetic effects of current. Next one is our environment topic is there for from natural resources. So management of natural resources, that topic is for portfolio. Concept of this unit is in the form of portfolio, you have to presentation. So this will be conducted to assess as the year end examination. Okay, these are the practicals also you can just go through. pH values you need to find, and litmus test, zinc metal test, sodium carbonate test. So types of reactions, one test you have to do, and action of zinc, iron, copper, aluminium with the salt solutions. Okay, according to the reactivity series, that is. So regarding biology if we see, carbon dioxide is given out during respiration, and physics, focal length you have to find out for concave mirror and convex lens. Next one is rectangular glass slab also, and here regarding the prism. So these all are for term 1 practicals which you need to cover, right? Practical for term 2 very less, it is there only for electricity chapter, and it is binary fission reproduction chapter. Chemistry, no topics, no experiments were there in term 2. Okay, so here assessment areas for science, competency based, competencies are demonstrating knowledge and understanding 46%, application of knowledge and concepts for 22%, analyzing and evaluation and create at 32%. So periodic assessment 3 marks, multiple assessment 2 marks, subject enrichment 3 marks, and portfolio for 2 marks, totally 10 marks. Okay, so these are about science. If we see mathematics also, here the objectives were given. These are the topics. Okay, number system, algebra, coordinate geometry, geometry mensuration, statistics and probability. So this is for class 9. So main agenda of ours is class 10th, right? So here is the class 10. Number systems for 6 marks, algebra 10 marks, coordinate geometry for 6 marks, geometry for 6 marks, trigonometry 5, mensuration 4, statistics and probability 3. So totally 40 marks, internal assessment 10, total marks are 50. Here periodic test 3 marks, multiple assessment same like science only, 2 marks, portfolio 2, subject enrichment 3. Okay. So these are the topics for term 1. Real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, coordinate geometry, triangles, right? And here introduction of trigonometry, areas related to circles, probability. So that is for first term. So now come to the second term, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions, circles, constructions, some applications of trigonometry, surface areas and volumes, statistics. So this is for term 2. Okay. Now come to the social science. If we see, here is the course structure which is given for term 1 and term 2. India in the contemporary world for 10 marks. Contemporary India for 10 marks. Democratic politics for 10 marks. Economics 10 marks. Total 40. Easily it was differentiated in both the terms. So here in the ninth class topics these are. So you can just slowly you can check. So here it is. These are the term 1 for ninth class. Term 2 for ninth class. So list of map items. Maps are very important. You have to just practice for this. So here are the internal assessment, periodic test marks, paper pen 5 marks, and other assessments like debate, role plays and all, that is for 5 marks. Portfolio 5 marks, subject enrichment 5 marks. So total 20 marks. So project work here, objectives were given, life skills to enhance. So different forms of art may be integrated in the project work. Okay. So here is the class 10th. Okay, class 10th also here topics I am going to tell you. Wait. Map items, geography, resources and development, very important. Water resources, agriculture. Term 1, these are the things which you need to include. And term 2, the topics are maps of term 2 are history, nationalism in India, Indian National Congress sessions, Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras, and important centers of Indian national movements. These all minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries, textile, iron, steel, software parks. These all very important. Lifelines of national economy, locating and labeling for all the major ports, international airports. Okay, so internal assessment same like other. So term 1 and 2, let us see the topics of map. These are. So here is the rise of nationalism in Europe, resources and development, water resources, agriculture. Okay, and here democratic politics. If you see, power sharing, federalism, economics, development, sectors of the Indian economy. So these are about term 1. Term 1 topics these are. So term 2, if we see, nationalism in India, the making of a global world, the age of industrialization, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy, outcomes of democracy. Okay, and economics, if you see, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy. So those are the topics. So here outline political map of India you have to use for practicing. So these are the criterias for social. So here project work is there. Every student has a compulsory any one project work they have to do, like consumer awareness, social issues, sustainable development. Okay, so these are the topics of all the main subjects. So languages, I'm not going to show you the languages. So term wise languages also you can just find out from here. So 11th and 12th classes also here it was mentioned. You can just go through by clicking this. So one more time I want to tell you, cbse.nic.in. If you go there, you will find the home page. In that home page, curriculum you have to select and you have to go for it. Okay, so this is the home page where you can find out everything. So soon we are going to get the sample question paper also, so don't worry, based on that also we can practice. Okay, so here question bank of class 10th and 12th, few subjects only there, so maybe this time multiple choice questions are also going to include. So this is about the term wise syllabus for the board examinations, which is going to be held for the academic session 2021 and 22. Okay, so hope you liked the session, all of you like the session. So hope you are going to join me at 8 o'clock for the quiz for life processes chapter. So share with your friends and try to find out. Okay, so thank you one and all the best.